In the post-world industry, every laser cutting equipment carries the heavy responsibility of production. When the device is dozens of miles away, who will be your most reliable backup? Hongniu Laser, the international after-sales service team, more than 80 people will provide you with services. The team includes an international online support team, after-sales support teams of Asia, Europe, and the Americas, bonded zone maintenance centers, and internal service teams. We know that production interruption means losses. Therefore, we provide 365-day, 24-hour non-stop online support. No matter which time zone you are in or when problem arises, our team can respond promptly, communicate online, and find the problem. Most problems can be solved immediately through our online professional guidance, minimizing your downtime waiting time. When the problem cannot be solved online, we will provide offline services. We will efficiently handle matters such as parts return for repair, replacement of warranty and non-warranty parts, and offline factory service repairs. For parts maintenance, we follow the principle of nearby. Parts that can be repaired nearby will be arranged to overseas service stations. Parts that need to be returned to repair will be efficiently repaired by domestic bonded zone repair centers or factories. International after-sales personnel follow up throughout the process to ensure that maintenance, quotation, repair, and return of services are completed in the shortest time. Professional technology, attentive service, and efficient execution have earned us the long-term trust of global customers. One service, lifelong friend. We not only sell equipment, but also provide professional service support. Hongniu Laser International After Sales Service Team, your trusted global partner.